Well, thanks so much for coming.
Yeah, it was great catching up with you. It's okay, I'll pay for it.
No, it's fine.
You really don't have to.
No, it's fine. Really.
You really don't have to.
I know, but it's okay.
I'll pay.
Okay, really.
No, it's no problem.
It's fine. It's totally fine.
It's no problem.
I am holding a gun under the table.
I don't think that's possible.
Let me pay. I insist.
You really don't have to.
I think I do.
There's another option.
I will pay.
Okay, fine. We can split the check.
That won't be necessary.
Yeah, because I paid before the meal.
You did what?